Namaste. Hope all are doing fine. Welcome to Subhu's Launch Talk. In this episode, we will be talking about the importance of attitude. You know, this term is often used in different contexts. If a guy shows a lot of pride, he say both attitude दिखाता है. And in many contexts, it said this guy didn't get a job because he didn't have a good attitude. So attitude has got different aspects, and I'm going to talk about an attitude that is going to help us in not exaggerating our failures nor becoming too happy about our success. We maintain a s- equilibrium, sama, irrespective of the situation, whether you have succeeded or whether you have failed. You maintain a e- equal attitude, samatva, that is equal. The, neither too happy nor too sad. As we to understand this particular aspect, I'll be singing one Hindi film song. And once you hear that song, there are a lot of aspects that has been highlighted in this song, and we can take it up paragraph by paragraph and how one can develop a samatva attitude, that is equal or rather say level headed. When you said it, you have a level headed. This man is a level headed. He doesn't have a big head, nor he is an person with an inferiority complex. वो लेवल हेडेड है. वो ज़्यादा अपने आप को गर्व भी नहीं है और अपने आप को बहुत छोटा भी नहीं समझता है क्या है. So it's a famous Hindi song from an Devanand movie. So this segment is about analysis of an Hindi film song for our purposes. As a matter of fact, now change the tagline of Subhu's launch talk. Initially, I had kept the tagline as self-development, but I have changed it to more precise tagline, that is think good and be good. So that is the essence of Subhu's launch talk. How to think good and be good. So I start with this song. मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, बर्बादियों का शौक मनाना फिजूल था, बर्बादियों का शौक मनाना फिजूल था, मनाना फिजूल था, मनाना फिजूल था, बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा, गम और खुशी में फर्क न महसूस हो जहां, गम और खुशी में न फर्क महसूस हो जहां, न महसूस हो जहां, न महसूस हो जहां, मैं दिल को उस मकाम में लाता था चला गया, मैं दिल को उस मकाम में लाता था चला गया, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा, जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, मुकद्दर समझ लिया, मुकद्दर समझ लिया, जो खो गया उसी को भुलाता चला गया, जो खो गया उसी को भुलाता चला गया, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया. So this is a song, and the more you listen to this song word by word, you will understand how attitude is like a shield to our emotions. Most of the time, it is not the problem, but our reaction to the problem, that is a problem. I repeat, it is not the problem by itself, but our reaction to the problem is a problem. It is our emotion that makes a problem big or small. Now you'll ask me, how is that? I'll give you an example of Einstein. Einstein was a great inventor. He had many factories. He had factories also, and one of his factories got totally burned down. His factories got totally burned down, but Einstein didn't show much emotion when his factory got burned down. So the reporter asked him, "Sir, your entire factory has got burned down, but you seem to be calm. You don't seem to be sad about it." Einstein said, "Yes, I'm happy. Rather, I'm okay. My factory is burned down because all the mistakes that I have done in this factory is now burned down. I can start the same factory afresh." And he, for him, his attitude was, my factory is gone. I could have, I could, go into depression, or he had another option, that take it in a manner, ho gaya so ho gaya. What next? And he said, all the mistakes that I have done in this factory is now turned into ashes. I can start something new. I can start in a fresh perspective, in a new way. So that is, I take this as, I convert this problem into an opportunity. So the problem has been converted into opportunity. So let us go understand this song para by para. The first para says, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को उड़ाता चला गया. That is, whatever happens in my life, मेरा जिंदगी में जो कुछ भी होता है, I went with the flow. Whatever happened, I went with the flow. It's just like water running in the river. So when the water runs in the river, it has to, clash with stones, boulders, mud, all those obstacles. It has to go around this thing. Similarly, in life, you are also like a river of time. You are flowing in the river of time, and whatever happens during this river of time, मैं जिंदगी का साथ चला गया, निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया. That is, and what all my worries, I converted into an, my fikr means worries, converted into an dhua means smoke. For me, all my worries, I blew it like a smoke. So how do I do that? How did he do that? The first para then says, बर्बादियों का शौक मनाना फिजूल था, बर्बादियों का शौक मनाना फिजूल था, बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया. That is, even if a disaster happened, I stopped शौक मनाना. शौक मनाना means a condolence meeting, like शौक, like feeling sad, feeling depressed. शौक मनाना, बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया. I started celebrating my बर्बादी. चलो जो हो गया सो हो गया, बर्बाद हो गया तो गया, आगे क्या देखो. So he did brood. That means he didn't get into that, अरे मैं अभी मैं क्या करूं, बर्बाद हो गया, मैं लुट गया, मेरा सत्यानाश हो गया. नो, ही लुक्ड एट द अदर वे. जो सत्यानाश हो गया, आगे से देखो कैसा आगे बढ़ना है. So that is the kind of an attitude he kept in life. And that's what the first para says. बर्बादियों का शोक मनाना फिजूल था, बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया. The second para says, गम और खुशी में फर्क न महसूस हो जहाँ. That is, gum means sad and gum or kushi means happiness. I have reached a stage where happiness or sadness, I can't see the difference. Both are same for me. Happiness and sadness both are same for me. गम और खुशी में न फर्क न महसूस हो जहाँ, मैं दिल को उस मकाम में लाता चला गया. I brought my mind to understand that happiness or sadness, इसमें कुछ फर्क नहीं है. It comes and it goes. It will come and it will go. Like after every sunrise, there is a sunset, and after every sunset, there is a sunrise. तो हर रात के बाद एक दिन होता है और एक दिन के बाद रात होता है. सिमिलरली गम और खुशी में फर्क वो आता है, वो जाता है. And then you look at the third paragraph, he says, जो मिला मुकद्दर समझ लिया. जो मिल गया उसे मुकद्दर समझा, जो खो गया उसे बुलाता चला गया. That is, whatever I got, I took it as my मुकद्दर, fate, किस्मत. मेरा किस्मत में जो मेरे को मिला, मैं उसको I accepted it. And what I lost, I didn't keep it in my mind. What I lost, उसको भुलाता चला गया. I kept forgetting it. जाने दो, it doesn't matter. Not keep it in your mind and then say, oh, I have lost. Have you seen some students who are good students who get in maths, for example, 98 out of 100? So instead of being happy with 98 marks, they'll say 2 marks chala gaya. Arey, I could move that sum. I knew I made a small mistake. Otherwise, I would have got 100 of 100. Instead of being happy with 98 marks, you are sad that you lost 2 marks. And there is one average student who normally won't get more than 35 marks, gets 50 marks. वो सबको लड्डू बांटता है. वो बोलता है, अरे यार, पहली बार मैंने 50 मार्क्स मैथ्स में कमाया. आज तक मैंने कमाया नहीं 50 मार्क. आई एम सो हैप्पी. लड्डू गाओ. दैट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ एटीट्यूड. जो मुकद्दर में मिला, जो द गाय हु गॉट 50 मार्क्स, उसको लगा जो मुकद्दर में मिला, मैं आई एम ओके विथ इट. Whereas the student who got 98 out of 100, they are thinking about, अरे यार, वो 2 मार्क मेरा चला गया. वो 2 मार्क मैं इजीली कमा सकता था. I could have hit a centum. So this is the what is called how the situation doesn't impact you, but the emotion that you put into the situation can make your mind happy or sad. Our reaction, the problem is not the problem, but our reaction to the problem is a problem, can become a problem. See, this song says, whatever may be the issue, plus or minus, neither exaggerate your gains nor diminish your losses. Nor, in a sense, don't diminish yourself for your losses. अपने आप को बहुत अच्छा किया है तो अपने आप को ज़्यादा पैट भी मत करना, और लॉस हो गया तो भी अपने आप को बहुत गिराओ मत. Don't pull yourself down. So that's how this song goes. Now you will ask me, why this attitude is required in modern life? No, a level-headed attitude will help in terms of crossing the river or in this life, simply because more and more the opportunities or this thing that comes up in life, or the situation of the life, can be captured in 4 letters. That is called VUCA. 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 Let me expand this acronym called VUCA. The current situation or the current environment that we live is filled with V. V is equal to volatility. Volatility means one can never predict what happens. कभी भी कुछ भी होता है. For example, share market can go up, can go down. It's called volatile. You can't say whether it will go up or go down. Say for example, Dubai floods recently. Can you ever imagine Dubai getting flooded with rainwater because of climate change? So this is called volatile. Anything can happen anytime. Second, U is equal to uncertainty. There is nothing certain. An industry may come up, an industry may completely go down. If you remember previously the photographs, there used to be film roll. There used to be a camera and there used to be a film roll, and through the film roll the photographs used to be taken. And when mobile started coming in, today the entire photography industry is closed. There are no buyers for a camera and then putting the rolls and the thing. It's gone to the higher end maybe, but in general, I'm talking about hobby photography or what we used to normally use. That camera is not there. It's certain new industries come up, and some industries completely get destroyed. That's called the uncertainty. Never know what happens. Like IT field was like a boom during the late 90s and 2000, and now IT field once again it's going through uncertain times. And no one doesn't know what is happening, and it is same with all the other products also. Any industry you take, these are uncertain times. You cannot say for certain how things will move. And C is equal to complexity. Now everything has become a little bit complex. Lot of complexity has come, including our food. वो दाल चावल का जो हम खाते थे, today you have got so many पिज़्ज़ा वीज़ा जो भी आ गया, उसके अंदर भी कुछ पंजाबी पनीर पिज़्ज़ा के ऊपर पंजाबी पनीर. पिज़्ज़ा इटसेल्फ इज एन इटालियन सॉर्ट इटालियन ब्रेड, उसके ऊपर पनीर पिज़्ज़ा डालो, कुछ दूसरा कुछ डाल दो, कुछ कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया है. एवरीथिंग वी वांट समथिंग, थिंग्स आर बिकमिंग वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स. It is happening even in relationship, even in the way you understand consumer behavior. Everything has become very complex. It's not straightforward. You cannot each person has become a very complex sort of an individual. You cannot predict. अब सवेरे हंसता है, शाम को रुलाता है. I had a boss early morning. Suppose we sat in our chair in our desk. When he used to come, so we used to feel that just being quiet, it will be better. Like when the boss is coming, what do you think? You think you have to be obedient and keep watching your TV or watch your book. ध्यान देते जाओ अपने काम में. एटलीस्ट थोड़ा शो करो कि काम में ध्यान देते हैं. And this boss, when he comes in, he goes to his cabin, throws the key on the table, then calls each one of them, and then asks, do you think you are a big person? Do you have so much of heavyweight? Then we wonder what happened. And he say, can't you say good morning? When I'm coming, nobody is watching me and nobody is wishing me good morning. You don't even know that this is what he is expecting. If you know, you would stand before that and everybody, good morning sir karte rahenge. But you don't even know. When the other time you would say, why are you wasting your time telling me good morning? Go and do your work. I don't want all this maska baji. Go and do your work. Your work will tell about you. You don't have to do all this. So you never know कि आदमी ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, वैसा भी बोल सकते हैं, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, वैसा भी कर सकते हैं. Things have become extremely complex. And last is ambiguity. There's a lot of ambiguity means you anything you do, there is one never know that what you are doing is correct or not. Are you in the right thing? Everybody gives one opinion. You attend a meeting, the meeting ends up in each one attacking each other. That is what you are saying. For example, there was let me tell my own example. We were sitting in I was meant to sit with one person. and the top management, and they were asking about how to move things, and I suggested that we should no since I was in the marketing, so we had a problem that we were making a lot of variants, but but the problem was everything used to be named the same. सब कुछ एक जैसा करता, like food. If you just say, if you're selling food, what do you do? Everything what you make is food. But so what, having said that, I said, okay sir, let us group the products and then name it by name. And suddenly the other person who was who was pitted against me, he said, sir, by just giving name, sales cannot increase. And then the management asked me, he said, your colleague is saying that just by giving name, sales cannot. I said, he's 100% correct. Just by giving name, sales will not increase, but by giving name, the customer can choose the product. Okay, customer can choose the product. So that will help us in differentiating our products and putting it in different slots. इतना ही बात था. The ambiguity is so much, and ultimately the suggestion was accepted, and all our products were divided. Like a food is divided into, say, juices, your a la carte, whatever, and like you make your different. Then you, when he comes to the restaurant, it is easy for him to easy for anybody to look at the menu and say, yes, what do you want? In the juices I have got this, in the dals you have got this, in the breads I have got this, in the charts I have got this, in the beverages I have got this. So so just by saying that I'm in food business, you make variants. The variance is not reaching the people only when you when you segment it for that, and then you place it. It registers in the mind of the customer whether he'll buy it or not, but it registers in the mind of the customer. So that is called ambiguity. You removing the ambiguity. What is it that this particular thing is all about? So under these circumstances, when you are in an environment of VUCA, volatile, V for volatility, U for uncertainty, C for complexity, A for ambiguity, one needs a very positive attitude, that just like this song says, and keep a level-headedness, irrespective of whatever happens. Keep a level-headedness. So tip of the day is, be level-headed. Your attitude decides your altitude. Many things will happen because of the VUCA which is going around, and if one maintains a level-headedness, one need not go overboard. At the same time, one need not get depressed. One keeps an equally equal uh, attitude for both the outcomes. You are keeping everything in the at level. ठीक है, जो किया, my my effort is to put my effort, and whatever the fruit comes, if it is good, I enjoy. If it is bad, I learn. So the outcome may be good or outcome may be bad. So if the outcome is good, I enjoy. I accept some appreciation. If it is bad, I will learn from it. So have this attitude, and this is the core of that message, of that central message of that song. Hope you like this video. I have come to the end of this video. Hope you like this video. If you like, please like it, subscribe, share with your friends, press the bell icon to get further notifications, and to all my loyal viewers, you can post this in your status so that it reaches to a wider audience. Thank you very much. Take care. Till we meet again. Goodbye.